Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach the topic series. In this, first I would like to explain binomial theorem. What is binomial and why we are using this formula? First of all, see here, a plus b whole square means, okay, easily you can simplify like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Even a plus b whole cube also, okay, this formula also, anyhow, we can simplify a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. If it is a plus b whole to the power of 10 is there, it will take time. We can simplify, but the thing is, it will take time to simplify this one. So, such a type of these questions, we are going to use the binomial concept. Actually, what is meant by binomial? Binomial means an expression which contains two terms. It is nothing but binomial. Okay. Now, suppose if the binomial expansion, if it is whole to the power of 10 or 20, 12, something like that, it is more than 3 or 4. Means how we can simplify by using formula. Okay. So, what is the formula if n is a positive integer? Okay. And it is only applicable for n is a positive integer 1 plus x whole to the power of n. N0 means N0 is nothing but NC0. Okay, what is NC0 will be 1. Actually, before that, I would like to explain what is NCR. Okay, NCR is nothing but here n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, if you want to find like 7, 2 means 7C2. So there are two methods are there. So however, we are going to use the calci in AS level. So even though I will explain how to find this one. Okay now, by using formula I'll say, and I'll say in another method also. Okay, first say here by using formula n is equals to 7, r is 2, n factorial by n minus r factorial and r factorial. Okay, what is meant by factorial? Factorial is nothing but say here n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on 3 into 2 into 1. Means if it is like 5 factorial is that means 5, 4, you should reduce the values 3, 2, 1, up to 1 you should add. Whatever the value is there, say 5 4 is 20, 20 times 3, 60, 120. So 5 factorial is 120. Like that. So you simplify this one, 7 factorial means 7 minus 5, 5 factorial and 2 factorial. So now see here n factor, 7 factorial, I'm writing 7 into 6 into next 5 factorial I'm writing. Okay, now next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why? Because I'm converting into 5 factorial wise. 5 factorial into 2 factorial. So 5 factorial cancel. 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So 7 times 3, 21. So this is how we have to simplify by using formula. So directly also you can do how it will be. See 7C2 is there. So here this will be 2. 2 is in a 2 times 1 you write down. Okay now. So now here 2 only start with 7. Here 7 is the 7 and one more is next number will be 6. Only 2 times you should do. Okay now. Okay, 2 ones 2, 3. So 21. For example, 5C3 is there. So 3 into 2 into 1. Okay now. Here 5, 1, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 only is there, R value. So now you cancel 3. 3 gets cancelled 2 times 1, 2 times 2. This is how we have to simplify directly also. However, we are using calculator, so no need to bother about that. Still, if you want to learn, you can use the formula. Now, what is meant by binomial coefficients? These are the binomial coefficients, NC0, NC1, NC2. These all are the binomial coefficients for here. When you expand this one, generally when you write 1 plus x whole to the power of n means generally we write like NC0, NC1, x, NC2, x square, NC2, x square, so on, NCn, x to the power of n. Okay, now if it is in the form of 1 plus x whole power n, if it is in the form of a plus b whole power n, so a plus b means first a n c 0 n 0 a to the power of n means just you need to remember NC naught, NC1, NC2, so on like that. Here a power n. Next to a power n, a value, a exponent will be reducing 1, 1, and b value will be increasing like this. A n minus 1 means b1. A to the power of n minus 2 means b square. Like that, it will be so on like this. Okay, now here I am explaining general term. General term. General term. See here. How will you find general term? General term formula, you can write this TR plus 1 is equals to, this is a general term, which is NCR, okay, x to the power of n minus r, y to the power of r. So this is a general formula. Okay. Now see here. So suppose if they're asking us to find fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. So based on that, we can go for that. Suppose see here. Actually, here 1 plus x whole to the power of n is there. So how many the number of terms will be? Number of terms will be n plus 1. There are n plus 1 terms. Why? Because we are starting with NC0 like that. There are n plus 1. Suppose 1 plus x whole power 5 is there. So the number of terms will be how many? N plus 1. Terms will be n plus 1 means 5 plus 1. It will be 6. Okay. Now, so you need to remember this formula whenever they're asking us to find fourth term, fifth term. Suppose they sometimes they will be asking us to find like a coefficient of x square, coefficient of x cube. These are all the things they will be asking to you. So based on that, so we have to apply this formula, then you can go for that. Suppose if they're asking us to write the expansion means you need to use this formula. Okay. Now see here, let us solve some problems based on this. Now, see here, find the ascending powers of x first three terms in each of the following expansions. Okay, now see here, they're asking us to write the first three terms. Okay, first of all, I write on the formula. I'm writing the formula first. A plus b whole to the power of n. Just now I told you nc naught. Okay, now plus nc a to the power of n, nc1 a to the power of n minus 1 b, nc2 a to the power of n minus 2 b square, so on. Only we require only first three terms. Okay, the first three terms we require. Okay, now say here assume this is a, this is b. Okay, so n is equals to 7. 7, 0. A is nothing but 3 to the power of 7 plus 7, 1. 3 to the power of 7 minus 1, a to the power of n minus 1, b is x by 2. Okay, plus 7c2 a to the power of means 3 to the power of 7 minus 2, and b is what it is over here, x by 2 whole to the power of 2. So first three terms enough. Okay, now you simplify this. And one thing you need to remember that once again, n c naught which is equals to n cn which is 1. Okay, now nc1 which is equals to nc n minus 1 equals to n. Okay, remember like this. Okay, generally 7c0 is 1 only. Okay, 3 to the power of 7, user can see 3 to the power of 7, 3 to the power of 7, 2187, 2187 plus 7c1, nc1 is n. 7, use your calculator, 3 power 6. 3 power 6, how much? 729 into x by 2 plus 7c2. 7c2 how much over here? If you want, you can simplify 7c2. 7 into 6. 2 times only, here 2 into 1. So 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So it will be 21. So 21 into 3 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5, how much over here? 3 to the power of 5, 243. And x by 2 whole square means x square by 4. Now simplify this plus so on. First 3 terms only they're asking us to write. So 2187 plus 7 into 7 times 729 5103 by 5103 by 2 into x plus, now this one also simplify that, 21 into 243. Here also 5103 divided by 4. 5103 divided by 4. Here x square. Okay. Now this is how we have to expand the given binomial expansion. Now say here, next question. Now, what is the question is given over here? Find the term independent of x. Means independent of x means there is no x in the term. Means it's a constant term. Okay, now such type of these questions you have to use the general term. General term formula TR plus 1 is equals to n CR x to the power of n minus r y to the power of r. Let us assume this is x, this is y. Okay, so n is equals to what it is over here, 12. So we don't know which term it is. So we need to find r value first of all. So 12CR, x is as it is x only, 12 minus r, y is minus 3 by x square. Okay, now r. Now see here, 12CR, x to the power of 12 minus r, minus 3 to the power of r by x square whole to the power of r means x to the power of 2r. Now simplify this, minus 3 whole to the power of r, write down constant this side, and a power m by a power n, a power m minus n. So 12 minus r minus 2r. So it will be what it is over here, 12c r minus 3 whole to the power of r, x to the power of 12 minus what it is over here, 3r. Now they said here independent term means x term should not be there. So x term should not be there means you should equate x to the power of 12 minus 3r is equals to x to the power of 0. Equal. Suppose x square term, if they want means x square you should equate. If you want x cube means you should equate with x cube like that. Means here 12 minus 3r is equals to 0, 3r is equals to 12, r is equals to 4. So therefore r value find out here 4 plus 1, which is 12c4 minus 3 over to the power of 4. However, you'll be getting that this 0 only. 12 minus 12 cancel. So 12c4 minus 3 power 4 is positive only, get 3 power 4 is nothing but 81. Okay now. So this is T5, fifth term. So 12c4 how much is simplified by using calculator? 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now here 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4 times 1, 4 times 3. 3, 3 gets cancelled. 2 times 1, 2 times 5. Okay. Now 55 into 9. How much? 495. So 495 is a 12c4 into 81. So into 81. 40095. And one thing you need to remember, if you leave till here also doesn't matter, you will be given marks. Okay, now next, see this question here. Also he has given that we have to expand And we need to find the first three terms in this expansion and also obtain the x square coefficient in this expansion. So such type of these questions say here, first you expand this one. A part 1 minus x by 2 whole power 8. Use the formula. Okay now. NC0 plus NC1 x to the power of x plus NC2 x square x by 2 whole square. Okay, and so on. First three terms only this. Okay now. 8C0 is 1 plus 8C1 is 8 into minus x by 2. 8C2. 8C2 you find out. 8 into 7 by 2 into 1, 2 times 4, 28. 28 into x square by 4, so on. Okay, na? So 2 times 1, 2 times 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 7. So 1 minus 4x plus 7x square, the first three terms. Okay, now. Now, here we need to obtain this value. So how it will be seen here? B part. First of all, you write down 2 plus 3x minus x square and 1 minus x by 2 whole to the power of 8. Okay, now what they're asking us to find over here, the coefficient of x square. Okay, so you need to no need to multiply each and everything. So just you write down this 1 plus 3x minus x square. This will be 1 minus 4x plus 7x square, so on. So if you are multiplying, I want only coefficient of x square I want. So now say here, if I multiply 2 into 7x square, you will be getting x square only, na? So 2 times 7. 2 times 7 plus. Now next what it is? 3x into minus 4x. 12x is minus 12x square, na? So 3 into minus 4. X square only. And if I multiply these two, x square into 1, so minus 1. Okay, now just whatever requirement you multiply that. No need to multiply each and everything. Okay, now if you multiply 2 into 7 x square, 14x square, 3x into 4x will be minus 12x square, minus x square into 1 is minus x square, like that. So 14 minus 12 minus 1. 14 minus 13 is 1. Okay, this is how we have to simplify the problem. I hope you have understood my explanation clearly. Thank you.